Now we are going to discuss applying character formats. Introduction. Formatting text in Microsoft Word involves tasks like bolding the text, italicizing it, and changing the font and size. The commands to perform all of these formatting tasks are found on the Home tab in the Font group. Select your text and then click on the required formatting button to see the effects. Setting font size. To change the font size of selected text in desktop Microsoft Word, select the text or cell with text you want to change. To select all text in a Word document, press Ctrl plus A. On the Home tab, click the font size in the font size box. Setting font style. To change the font type within a Microsoft Word document, follow the steps below. Highlight the text you want to change. Click the down arrow next to the font field on the format bar or ribbon. If you want to change the font to bold, italic or underline, click on the B, I or U on the format bar. After clicking the down arrow for the font, you should be able to select from each of the installed font on your computer. Click the font you want to use and the highlighted text change. As you can see in this figure, there is BIU in the figure and we can select any. We have to first highlight the text we want to change the type of format typing, that is bold, italic and underline, and then we have to click on B, I or U. Changing the font. Click the Home tab and then select the text you want to change. Click the font list box. A list of available fonts on your computer appears. Move the mouse pointer over each font. Word temporarily change your selected text so you can see how the currently highlighted font will look. Click the font you want to use. Word change your text to appear in your chosen font. Change the default text color in Word. Open the template or a document based on the template whose default setting you want to change. Go to Home and select the Font Dialog Launcher dialog box launcher. Select the arrow next to the font color and then choose the color. As you can see, there is a picture in our slide also. In this you can see a dialog box of font. In font we can select a font color, select a font style, select a side, select a type of font, etc, and then click OK and we get the desired result. Select Set as default and then select one of the following. This document only, all document based on the normal dot template. As you can see in this figure, do you want to set the default font to Time New Roman 12 PT for this document only or all the document based on the normal template? We have to select only one of it, then click OK. Change the capitalization or case of text. To change the case of selected text in a document, do the following. Select the text for which you want to change the case. Go to Home, Change Case, Change Cap button for Office 365 and MacBook Pro. Do one of the following. To capitalizing the first letter of a sentence and leave all the other letters as lowercase, click sentence case. To exclude capital letter from your text, click lowercase. To capitalize all the letter, click uppercase. To capitalize the first letter of each word and leave the other letter lowercase, click capitalize each word. To shift between two case view, for example, to shift between capitalize each word and the opposite capitalize each word, click toggle case.